once upon a time at Kid Science Labs, we wanted to make the biggest bubble. We sat down with our friends and bought some bubble solution and got a wand and started to blow. But our bubbles weren't working. They weren't big enough. They weren't lasting very long. Something's wrong with this solution. It looks like dirt in there. I wonder if we can make a bigger bubble. Let's try it. Let's figure it out. I think we can do it. If we want to make a bubble solution, we first need a little bit of water. Pour some water. What is that? Is that a dog? Let's get back to pouring. Add some water on the plate, not too much. And then we have to thicken that water up. It's too thin. Maybe light corn syrup, dark corn syrup, honey. I think that dog is back. Everyone loves bubbles.
Are you here to learn about bubbles? Yeah, I know, they're so exciting.
Next, we need some of that wonderful Dawn dish soap. Any soap will do, but Dawn is especially good at making bubbles. Just pour some in. You decide how much. The ratio does matter, but testing is super important in science. Add a little bit of sugar, maybe some salt, just like Salt Bae. Just pop it on in there. And grab something out of the spice cabinet, something to give your bubble a sweet smell, or maybe even give it a little bit of flavor. And then stir it slowly so the soap and the water and the honey or the syrup can mix.
Test which ratios are best.
When you make bubbles, you have to have a wand. Whether it's your finger or a pipe cleaner like this, let's test and see if our ratio is right. Just dip it in the liquid and softly blow. Whoa, look at those bigger bubbles. Longer lasting bubbles. You ever wonder where a bubble gets its beautiful color stream from? It's actually the soap moving around the bubble. The soap is trying to prevent the bubble from popping by bonding with the water. But the different layers of that soap are actually reflecting light. And that's where the rainbow comes from.
Try to make the biggest bubble ever by using a string triangle and 2 wooden dowels for the handles. Remember, you'll need to get a bucket that is big enough. Try to beat how Miss Megan's making her bubbles because they look pretty big.
Okay, sorry. Other extra things that we can add on into this trick are gonna be okay, here we go. I need a big bubble. Okay, are gonna be tricking the bubble not only with your finger but with other objects. Maybe like a popsicle stick, or you could drop it inside without your bubble breaking. Dun 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 dun. And if you're really a superhero, okay, here we go. I'm gonna make sure. Let me see if I can do that. Oh, we're gonna try this again. Can you get it out again? What? Whoa! Can you get it out again without anything, without anything happening? But this also shows the strength and durability of these amazing bubbles. Other things are obviously just, can you make a bubble as big as your head? That little ghost bubble piece is part of it. So I think they're just remember, bubbles are